Okay guys, so I just woke up and we were walking and we found a path to the river and now we're at the river.
Yeah, it's Sunday morning, about 8:30.
Lily and Mom and Taylor are also asleep. I found Dad all like across the tent walk by the bathrooms and he was like, and so I ran over to him and
yeah, we've been scoping out all the different
I got
campgrounds.
a muffin.
Yeah, she ate a muffin. It looks like everyone's leaving today, which is what we were hoping for.
Because they're the best spot. The people are leaving at 11, so we're gonna pack up after breakfast
And snag it up.
Yeah, because it has a path. So the first beginning part is huge. Then you have a path back, and where you can put your tent, and then there's a path to the river.
Yeah.
So that's what we want, and so we're gonna snag it.
Yeah, at 11 o'clock after
Yeah.
breakfast. So fingers crossed we can get it. There's also some other cool spots, so we're gonna go check more out. Then once everyone's awake, we'll do a quick tour of where we stayed last night. All right.
Yeah.
See you guys.
Bye.
Boom.
Hey guys, I'm on this. I'm in the fall. Hope I don't fall. Guys, look how far I've gotten. Guys. Emily, you feel like safer than me.
TJ.
Uh-oh. You want out?
Emily and Zoe the Explorers. The Log Walkers.
Uh-oh, that's
Pokey. Too pokey.
I'm gonna go with Emily.
Here's a little video of Taylor. He's hanging out on a log, taking it all in, looking at all the trees. Yep. He's just kind of chilling. What do you think, TJ? Oh, don't go too far forward. You're gonna fall off. Remember, you gotta balance. You gotta balance. Okay. Let's show him.
We got breakfast of champions. Some bacon and oatmeal.
Ooh, yum.
So we had some warmed up Pop-Tarts and Frosted Flakes.
Yes. And what? Oh, and Mom's gonna make some hot tea. And then we're just trying to organize some of the stuff we brought. And we also are moving campsites pretty soon, so that's the next thing on our list.
All right, tents all set up, camps all set up, vans all set up. I'll have to show you guys that in a bit. Mom's trying to get Taylor down for a nap in the van. And the girls are playing at the Hoh River. I would walk over there with them, but I don't want to get my feet wet right now. Maybe later. But they're having fun crossing. Say hi! There they are. They're waving. Oh, she's running. Alright, now they're by me. We got a little tide pool here.
Yeah, and we just got done with our camp. We set up, and we should go do a tour. Should we?
Yeah, we'll do a tour in a little bit. is warm. This is cool. Wow. Splish splash. Don't fall. Please don't fall. Yeah, the wind is picking up.
That would be scary if you fell into that.
Yeah, you don't want to get into the main Hoh River. It would carry you away.
Don't go past, like, right where those waves are going.
Okay. We found another little pool.
Tackles, I'm gonna catch one. It's a disgusting pool of mud.
It's just mud. Sand.
What? It's nothing bad.
Look how cloudy it is now. In the pool.
Oh, wow.
Can you climb back up?
I need help up. Yeah, I got an idea. Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. I need to go on both sides of the needle. Is it tackle? No, that was actually a fishy. Come, Dad. We're gonna go through that pool. Ow! 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 Ow!
Come on.
Help me!
Boost up. You can do it. Use your strength. Yeah, there you go. 1, 2, 3, lift.
I grabbed onto this. Ow! Sorry. Wait, it's not you. It's my
There
belly.
you go.
My belly's naked. See? Come on, Dad.
I'm coming.
Oh, wow. That's deep. How did I feel what's done?
What'd you find?
Clay. Clay. We found clay.
Whoa. Clay feels different wet than dry.
It is wet. Yeah, this is clay.
Alright, so they're digging up all the clay they can. And they're gonna make something. See what happens.
Oh, my
Well, don't get too dirty, Zoe. We can't take showers here. And Emily made a little ball. So we'll see what happens with that. We got quite the pile up there. Might need to start building something before it dries.
That's what I told them. Well, we first need to gather it all up.
Well, there's a lot of it in there, so just get as much as you need and start doing something.
Okay, so get the last bit done. Because this is looking like it's starting to hurt.
Okay, Zoe, start building.
Yeah, Zoe, it's starting to hurt a
Maybe get a handful of water and put it on there.
Yeah, handful of water.
We got that bucket in the van. We should have brought that. Oh, Emily.
I didn't know we were gonna find clay. Same.
Alright, so we just got done with lunch and the girls are washing the dishes. We got a little tub with soap in it, and then they rinse it off. And a scrubber. And TJ was enjoying it back there, but now he can't see what's going on. His mom's got to stand sideways so he can see what's going on.
You want to watch everything?
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Saying hey. Let's do it.
What do you think of that, TJ? What do you think about that?
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Here's my shoes. I almost fell.
All right, so we just watched a program from the park ranger, which we were not expecting.
Yeah.
And now they got their junior ranger papers
Yeah.
to fill out.
Guess where my paper is. I'll tell you guys at the end of the video.
Okay. And now we went to try and go to the visitor center over there, but it's
I'm on
closed.
the trail now.
And so now we're on the mini trail.
And guys, I remember Emily almost fell off of that bridge once.
Okay. And this will get us warmed up for tomorrow's hike. Hopefully. And maybe warm us up from all this rain.
Yes.
And Taylor's getting a little tired. Looks like he might fall asleep.
This is so fun.
Don't fall!